I am making a blueberry buckle since blueberries are coming in season. Start off with 1.5 cups of sugar in a large bowl. To that, 1/2 cup of softened butter. And beat it. To this, add 2 eggs. Beat it. Now, to this mixture, I want to add dry ingredients. So I have 4 cups of flour. To that, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons baking powder, a teaspoon of salt, and mix that up. So this is going to be added to the butter mixture, along with 1 cup of milk. So add some of the liquid, some of the dry, and then beat it. More liquid. And the rest of the dry. The rest of the milk. Starts to get thicker. And at this stage, you can mix it by hand, which I'm going to do. And to this mixture, I'm going to add 4 cups of blueberries. I have frozen blueberries from last season that I want to use up. That's why I'm making different blueberry recipes. So then just mix that all up. I have greased and floured a 9x13 pan that I'm going to put the blueberry buckle in. Then just spread it out through the pan. This batter is thicker than regular cake batter because it's more of a loaf type consistency. So just spread it out through the pan like so. Now for the topping, you need 1 cup of flour, a 1.3 cups of white sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2/3 of a cup of cold butter that I'm going to mix in by hand. So the topping is, butter's pretty much all mixed in. So I've got the blueberry buckle spread, and topping is going to go over top like so. And then I'm going to spread it. Oven has been preheating 375. This will go into the oven for about 40 minutes or until toothpick inserted comes out clean. And here is the finished blueberry buckle, and I'm serving it warm with some homemade caramel sauce. It's nice on its own or with whipping cream, ice cream. Hope you enjoy it.